Good morning and welcome to a school bathroom. I'm alone in here, don't worry, but today is my senior film showcase. So all year we've worked really hard to make a film, and it's going to be shown tonight, and I'm really excited. It's gonna be really fun, and then tomorrow night is prom. So this is gonna be a really fun vlog. Happy Film Friday, by the way. I hope you stick around. It's gonna be fun. It'll be supremely more fun than standing in a bathroom.
They're putting up posters. The director and the poster. Mine's over here. Wow. It's that one. Taking off the protective layer. It's about to be so satisfying. All right, ready? Ooh. I found the record button.
No.
Not about, yes.
No.
They're talking about Helen Keller.
She was a socialist. A Marxist even.
You can be a socialist and a Marxist and still be blinding deaf.
No.
It's not limited. Boy. No. Yeah. Ping. Good morning. So last night was really fun. I just had such a good time finally showing off my film. It was really nice. I screamed super loud for all my friends, and so my voice hurts now, and I'm actually pretty tired, but today is the day of prom, and last night I had like this full dream of like buying a prom dress, and I was like freaking out because I didn't have a prom dress. I obviously have a prom dress. So the basic plan is I'm going to Lydia's, we're gonna get ready together, then I'm going to go to my boyfriend's house and help him get ready a little bit because he has like really long hair and I want to curl it. And then we're all gonna go take pictures, and then we're gonna go to prom and have a great time, and then after we're gonna go eat at Waffle House. Ready to go. We're doing makeup. One of the very few times you'll see me wear makeup. Enjoy vlog. Hey vlog! It's prom! Oh wow. Hey, she ate. I am on my way to prom! Woohoo! I'm wearing gloves, but this hand can't wear a glove whenever I film, so it's really awkward. I have star earrings. And I had this corsage, but it broke. It like, there was like a purple flower there and it just fell off, but it's okay. Hey vlog, it's Lydia. My takeover time. So prom fit check. I have a corsage that's dead. I have rings. Oh, there's ice cream on my face. A necklace, a dress from Oh, I got some ice cream on your screen. Ice cream. I mean dress from Amazon, and my shoes are in my car. I'm wearing heels. I promise she's sober. No drugs. Only ice cream.